Belmont High Voltage is an electronic manufacturing company. We build power supplies, high voltage power supplies in particular. We mostly service much in the security industry itself. We make a lot of the power supplies which drive X-ray machinery. This is stuff that's being used in airports to inspect various items in stadiums, whatever it is. Also, we have a large stake in the medical field. CT scanners, MRIs, this type of equipment. Yes, Belmont High Voltage is a privately owned company. We've been in business for 62 years. We've been based here on Long Island. That's where we started, and presently we have moved to upstate New York. We have a place in Texas. We have a factory in Mexico, Japan, England, and as recently in China as well. Some of our security, consists of obviously physical security, meaning that things are locked up, things are restricted access areas. We have physical guards or security on the premises. Camera surveillance, making sure that nobody who's unauthorized is in the area, and also now we're working on certifying our employees, doing background checks of that nature, again to comply with anti-terrorist laws. Right now, our biggest challenge is complying with what's called the CT PAP law. Since we transport goods over the border, the government has mandated that we abide by certain security issues to make sure that material moving across the border is safe and secure. This is also being followed up by some additional laws by the TSA. So the biggest challenge we have now is really complying with these new anti-terrorist laws and making sure that things aren't going across the border, that our facility is secure at all times, that our dock is secure. We selected Arrow Security. They're a large company. We're very confident in their ability. I've worked with them in several other companies. Over a long period of time, they've always provided reliable service. Guys are good to work with, security guards, etc. We've had good rapport with them since we started working with them. We've had Arrow Security here about 4 years. We projected they're going to be a security company for many years to come. Always give us good, reliable service. Always been able to get a hold of somebody when I need somebody. When they say they're going to be here, they're here. It's the kind of service we need, going forward to make sure our facility is secure. Well, if I were to recommend a company, probably most people are like myself, is you go out and you talk to other people within your industry and you ask them who are the people that you depend on. So it's very important, particularly in the security business, that you make sure that the people you contract are going to be there for you, are going to be responsive for you, and have been responsive not just for you, but everybody else within your community. And you want to work with a company that's familiar with what you do and familiar with what your area is. And hopefully is hiring people that are from your area so that we're all together working, making sure it's a safe workplace.